Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Olaplex 4-in-1 is probably one of the most sought-after hair treatments on the market, promising to deliver salon-quality results right in the comfort of your own home. And today we're diving deep to see if it truly lives up to the hype, exploring its innovative formula designed to intensely hydrate, strengthen, smooth, and add shine, all while tackling common hair concerns like dryness, damage, and frizz. Number 5. Olaplex N Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex N Degree 3 Plus, your new secret weapon for hair repair. This innovative treatment is designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this powerful treatment gets to work. It's a quick and effective way to address hair damage. Experience immediate repair for damaged hair. It actively works to restore your strands, leaving them feeling revitalized and healthy. Get ready for noticeably softer and stronger hair. This treatment enhances your hair's natural resilience and texture. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this product is for you. It's designed to benefit every hair type. What we like. This is a potent pre-shampoo treatment designed for immediate repair. It works to strengthen your hair from within. If you have significantly damaged or weakened hair and are looking for a targeted repair solution before washing, this is the one for you. What people say. This mask is a game changer for dry, damaged hair. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and looking so much healthier. I love how this mask has improved the overall texture and appearance of my hair. It's less frizzy and more manageable. The Olaplex 4-in-1 Moisture Mask has significantly reduced breakage and split ends. My hair feels stronger and looks visibly repaired. Number 4. Olaplex N Degree 7 Bonding Oil. Introducing Olaplex N Degree 7 Bonding Oil, your ultimate hair treatment. This innovative oil is designed to enhance your hair's natural beauty and health. Experience unparalleled shine and smoothness with every application. It visibly transforms your hair, leaving it feeling incredibly soft and manageable. Protect your hair from damaging heat with our advanced formula. It provides a reliable shield against heat styling tools, ensuring your hair stays healthy. Maintain vibrant color and enjoy up to 72 hours of frizz control. Say goodbye to unruly flyaways and hello to sleek, polished hair. Perfect for all hair types, including coily, curly, straight, and wavy textures. It's the versatile solution for everyone seeking beautiful, healthy hair. What we like. Achieve incredible shine and smooth, frizz-free hair with this bonding oil. It also provides essential heat protection for your strands. If you're looking to add gloss, tame frizz, and shield your hair from styling damage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a highly concentrated reparative, a mask that adds intense moisture and body while providing shine to damaged hair. It works on all hair types to strengthen and repair hair, leaving it looking and feeling healthier. The mask is designed to treat damaged hair, making it a great option for those looking to improve hair health and appearance. Number 3. Pure Bali Hair Vitamins Moroccan Oil Capsules. Introducing Pure Bali Hair Vitamins, your secret to luscious locks. These capsules are designed for both women and men. Infused with the power of Moroccan argan oil and nourishing avocado oil, they deeply condition your hair. Whether your hair is frizzy, dry, or curly, these vitamins are formulated to work for you. Packed with vitamin A, E, and Pro B5, they promote overall hair health and vitality. Experience the transformation as your hair becomes smoother, stronger, and more manageable with every use. Each bottle contains 40 easy-to-use capsules, making your hair care routine simple and effective. What we like. These capsules are packed with nourishing argan and avocado oils, plus essential vitamins. They are designed to deeply moisturize and soften all hair types. If you struggle with dry, frizzy hair and want a convenient, vitamin-boosted serum, consider these capsules. What people say. This mask is a game changer for dry, damaged hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. It significantly reduces frizz and adds a beautiful shine, making hair look and feel healthier. The rich, creamy texture coats each strand effectively, providing deep hydration and repair. Number 2. IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask Travel. Introducing the IGK Antisocial Bond Building Dry Hair Mask, your travel-sized solution for hair repair. This mask is designed to rebuild and strengthen your hair, wherever you are. Experience incredible softness and a radiant shine with this innovative formula. It works to revitalize your locks, leaving them feeling smooth and looking luminous. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why this mask is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're using. Its convenient 1.7-ounce size makes it the perfect addition to your travel bag. Enjoy salon-quality treatment even when you're away from home. This powerful mask helps to rebuild damaged strands, soften texture, and enhance natural shine. Get ready for healthier-looking hair with every use. What we like. This innovative dry mask offers bond-building repair without the need for water. It works to soften and add shine on the go. If you need a quick, convenient hair repair solution while traveling or between washes, this vegan and cruelty-free option is perfect. What people say. This mask is a game-changer for dry, damaged hair. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft, hydrated, and looking so much healthier. I love how this mask detangles my hair and makes it so much easier to brush. It also adds a beautiful shine without weighing my hair down. Number 1. OUAI Fine to Medium Hair Treatment Mask. Discover the ultimate solution for your hair. This mask is designed to deeply condition and revitalize your locks. Experience lightweight yet powerful deep conditioning. It nourishes your hair without weighing it down, leaving it feeling soft and manageable. Enriched with shea butter, keratin, and panthenol, it works to improve your hair's overall health and appearance. This formula helps to hydrate dry strands, combat frizz, and strengthen hair. It also works to repair existing damage. Specifically formulated for fine to medium hair types. Achieve healthier, more beautiful hair with every use. See and feel the difference. It leaves your hair looking and feeling its best, with a healthy shine and improved texture. What we like. Experience deep conditioning that won't weigh your hair down with this lightweight mask. It's formulated to strengthen, repair damage, and combat frizz effectively. If you have fine to medium hair that needs hydration and repair without heaviness, this is the ideal treatment. What people say. This mask is a game-changer for dry, damaged hair. It deeply moisturizes and repairs, leaving hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable. I love how this mask strengthens my hair and reduces breakage. My hair feels healthier and looks shinier after just a few uses. The Olaplex 4-in-1 Moisture Mask is incredibly effective at detangling and improving hair texture. It makes my hair easier to style and reduces frizz. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.